Yeah man, vibes these in the kitchen. You know, one more time, we have some leftovers you want some great things with. We have some leftover jerk chicken. Yeah man, we're gonna deal it on a different level. You understand? No it's broken in the thing. Yes man. I deal with jerk chicken on a different level. I want to have it there and you want to put a different style and a different vibe, you know what I mean? Yeah man. You can go and bring it, you know. I have a little rice that go on steam down in the thing, rice here. And I really a lot, I really want to hold it for rice. So soon I do it, yeah man. I can go and do my day, you know. That's when I show you the jerk chicken with the pan. Chop him up already. We chop him up already. And some pieces. We fry up the seasoning. We done fry up the seasoning now. We put it on the seasoning. Boom. Put a little water upon him. Barbecue sauce, ketchup, vinegar, sugar. You know the works. So we can start share the pattern now. So now we're going to put in the jerkers. Yeah man, that is it. That is it. Yeah, cook up the jerkers now with it, with the seasoning. You get what I'm saying? Yeah man. I don't know no. Overnight jerk chicken bad enough. Yeah man. Overnight jerk chicken bad man. Change up the spice and the flavor and everything that you get on after. Yeah. That's the right thing. So we have a ketchup over going on. Barbecue sauce over going on. And as I'm telling you, I put some vinegar and brown sugar in it. You understand? Kind of rich in that taste. So basically I do the whole flavor for it. So we have some brown sugar going on it too. You alright? That is the style. Cream on it, curry. Making nice. Yeah man, you know add more crunch pepper in it. So we want it spicy. You get what I say? We want it spicy and nice. You make sure the thing right. Hallelujah. You get what I say? Vibes these in the kitchen and you know we have to do the thing right. And we never go wrong. You understand? So now we have to add a little water. Yes man. We add a little water in there now. And we can go on. Now we do my day, you know. Right now I cook along, you know. It's already cooked, you understand? It's already jerk and things. So the water we have put in there. Ketchup to make the thing right. Yeah man. Barbecue sauce. You know what thing goes. Sorry about the shaking of the phone. I mean alone I work. Job with the glory. Some barbecue sauce in it. Yeah, depends on where you want the flavor in. Yes man. Brown sugar.